Hello everyone, if you also want to make your own AI trading plus mining website, then you are on the right video. In this video, I will completely show you how you can make your own AI trading plus mining website. And if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link is in description. You can contact us and buy this complete website and script from us. So viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher, and now I'm gonna guide you completely about this website. So first of all, I will give you the complete overview of its user panel. Then we will see how we can manage this website from admin panel. So let me tell you that you can completely manage profit and loss of user on daily basis, and here user can mine as well and earn money through mining as well. So this is a very amazing site. So let's start this video without wasting much more time. So first of all, we must have to log in to use any of the feature of this website. So here I will click on this chart option. So we have to log into our user panel. So here you can see that this is our login page. Now here, if we have an account, we can easily log in with our existing details. But if you don't have an account, you must have to sign up to this website. So when you click on sign up, here you have to fill your username, email, password, confirm password. If you have invite code, you can put it out here and you can easily sign up your account. So we already have an account, so I will go to my user login page, and here I will enter my password details, username and password, in order to log in. So when I click on login, it will log me into my user panel. So we have successfully logged into our user panel. So viewers, this is our user panel. So this is a home page. So let's start from this. First of all, here you can completely change the banner and each and everything that is on the website. Each and everything is changeable. Here you can click on earning to see your complete earning. Here you can see there is all robots, like you can see all your profits, robot miners. Here user can download your app by clicking on apps. Here user can read the news, and you can see all these blogs you can insert from admin panel. As it is completely with admin panel, so you don't need to worry about anything. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this website. You can completely control this from the admin panel. Here user can click on tutorial to go to your YouTube channel or watch your video on this. Here user can go to your community channel, Telegram channel. User can read about you by clicking about us section. Here you can see the latest crypto prices over here. These are all the trading view prices. Here when user click on chart, user can see the live crypto prices and charts over here. So viewers, here you can see all the charts of live crypto prices in this section. You can see 30-minute charts and do your analysis on this page. And here this is the mining page. Here you can see that mining is already on. So here user can earn money through mining as well. User can on it or off it. Here let me go to AI trade option. So this is the AI trading that you can see it is also already on, and here you can see the latest news over here. You can see your current balance and total trading bonus. So I just created the site and turn on the trading. So here you can see daily history of your trading over here in the section. Here you can see all your levels, like $50 for level 1 and total commission on that trading. Here you can see level 2 commission, level 3, and all these levels, profits and investments over here. So you can daily trade using AI trading and earn commissions on these bases. Here let me go to profile, and here you can see all your total deposits, total withdrawals. Here you can go to deposit page. If you have to deposit funds, you can deposit your money from here. Suppose I want to deposit $1,000, select the gateway, and let me tell you that you can use any of the gateway for deposit. And here click on next step, enter your TRX ID, mobile number, and you can easily deposit money on this website. And here is deposit address of the admin of website. You can change this from here. Currently these are just random details, and here you can also insert the QR code as well. So for deposit, you can use any of the methods you want. You can use UPI method or any other method you want. Currently there is USDT and some Bcash method, but you can use any other method as well. So here you can transfer your money from one account to another on the same website. And here is withdrawal option. So you can withdraw your fund from here. And we first of all we have to set up our withdraw password. It is asking that set up your withdrawal password, then you can withdraw your money. So here we will just set our withdraw password, and then user can withdraw money. So here we have set the password successfully. Now let me just show you. So let me just refresh the page, and now you can see that we have to verify the KYC as well. So user must have to verify KYC, and then user can withdraw its money. So after verifying KYC, user can easily user can withdraw its money from here. So here is account setting option. So user can do all its account setting from this section. User can change its name, email, and insert its picture from here. So this is address setting. So user can set up its address easily from here. And there is password settings. So user can change its password directly from this section, and user can view the notifications as well. Here user can set up withdrawal password, and same here user can set up the wallet password from here. So user can set up wallet password. User can see all its commission logs, transaction logs, deposit history, and withdrawal history, and my team section, and user can download the app, and user can log out. So these are all the details of user panel of this website, and this is all about AI trading and mining website. So if you also want to buy this script on a very reasonable price, you can contact us. WhatsApp link is in description. You can contact us and buy this script from us. And if you need complete end-to-end ready website where you don't have to do nothing, we will do complete work for you, you can contact us as well. So if you buy from us, you don't need to worry about anything. We will completely provide you support, and you don't need to worry about anything. Now I have already guided you about this user panel. Now we will go to our admin panel, and I will completely show you how you can control this website from the admin panel. So let's go and let's see how we can control this website. So viewers, here you can see that I am on the admin login page of this website, and viewers, if you want to log into the admin panel, you must have to enter your correct details, admin credentials, so then you can log in only. So here we will enter our admin username. Here we will enter our admin password. So clearly enter these details, click on login, and it will log you into your admin panel. So viewers, here we can successfully log into our admin panel of this website. So first of all, you can see its dashboard. You can see total users, active users on the website, total deposits on the website, pending deposits, rejected deposits, initiated deposit, withdrawals, current balance, total balance, today deposits, referral commissions. Everything is here. You can see and control your website from here. Here you can see all the notifications over here. So you can see all the notifications, and let me just go back to the user panel. Sorry for this. And so here there is a front end setting. So you can change the notice board text. You can change the text from here easily. You don't need any coding knowledge to change anything. So here you can change the sliding banners, so you can remove the existing one, edit them, or if you want to insert a new banner, you can insert banner from here simply. So here is important links, like you can change Android app links, Apple app links, like video links, Telegram links. You can change background images from here. So it's very simple. You don't need laptop to control this website. You can use laptop to control this, or you can easily control this website from mobile as well. So it's very user-friendly website. Here is community option. So you can all change all your Instagram, Facebook, social links, etc. You can edit them from here, and you can add your own links. Here you can add the fake reviews, like on the website you can add as many as fake reviews you want. You can add them from here. Here this is a blog page from where you can insert the latest blogs on your website. Just click on add new, and you can insert new blogs on your website from here. So here is about us section. So you can update the about section of your website from here, and this is the terms and conditions. So you can update your terms from this section. So this is the referral commission section. So if you want to insert multiple levels of referrals. Currently there are 3 levels of referral commission over here, but if you want to give multiple levels of referral commission, you can change referral commission from here, and you can enable them and disable them. So you can give commission on AI trading, robot purchase like plan purchase, and a deposit commissions here. So here are trade levels. So you can set up multiple levels of commission on trades. So as I told you, on $50 on AI trading, user will get this 2% commission. So you can change this commission from here as well. So if user are trading with balance of $101, so he will get 2.50% commission on every AI trade. So you can set this commission from here, and it completely depends on you here. If you want to add a new commission, so you can give it from here, and here you can give profit in positive or negative as well. Suppose I want to give VIP, if user are trading with $50, maximum is $60, 50 to 60, between $50 to $60. So you can give profit or loss. Suppose I will enter profit 5% on this trade. Here you have to select the profit type. So you want to give minus profit or negative or positive profit. So I want to give minus. So you can set it up and click on submit, and that level is added. Now every time when user trade with 50 to 60% balance, user will go in negative 5% every day. Here are robot plans, like these are mining plans. So you can set these mining plans from here. It completely depends on you. You can create as many as plans you want. Click on add new, and you can set up the mining plans from here. So here are all the user options. So you can manage all the users on your website. Here you can go to details. You can add or subtract balance of user from here. So it completely depends on you. You can log in as user, and you can change the details of users from here. So these are all the user related activities. This is the payment gateway thing. Like you can create as many as payment gateways you want. As I told you, just click on add new, and from here you can add a new payment gateway like UPI, Paytm, JazzCash, EasyPaisa, or any of your bank account payment method. From here you can add it. From here you can approve or reject the deposit request. So when user will request a deposit, the request will be appeared over here, and you can approve it or reject it. Here are withdrawal requests. So you can see all pending withdrawal requests here, and if you have approved them, you can easily approve or reject withdrawal request from here. So it's completely very simple to manage. Here you can create the withdrawal methods. So here these are all the withdrawal methods on your website. Currently there are 2 methods. Now if you want to create a new withdrawal method, you can easily create a withdrawal method easily from here. So you can approve withdraw. You can see all withdrawal requests. Here you can see the support tickets from user. You can view the complete report of your website. Here you can see the general settings. So you can change the name of website, currency of your website from here, symbol, site base color, and some other settings. Like you can turn on off trade on holiday from here. So this is how you can manage it. So here is AI trade setting. Like you can select the coin for your AI trading. Like you can change the coin and coin pair from here. Buy sell settings you can do it from here. Trade time you can set from here. And these are the API keys that you can put in order to give the correct profit to user. And I will provide you everything if you buy from us, so you don't need to worry about anything. Here you can do the coin settings from here. So you can change the coin name, coin symbol, and here you can see the mining settings. All the mining settings are here, so you can do them from here. And here are system configurations, so you can turn on off different settings of your website directly from here. And here if you want to change the logo of this website, you can directly change your logo from here. You don't need any coding knowledge to change the logo. Here you can manage the SEO of your website directly from here. You don't need to do the external SEO. Here you can manage the KYC settings, notification settings. Here is some other options, like you can turn on off maintenance mode of your website. So viewers, in this video I completely guided you about everything. Here you can see that the website is hosted on my subdomain scriptsmasher.com, demo.scriptsmasher.com. So Viewers, I just created the site, and if you want to buy this script or complete website for us from us, you can contact us and we will provide you complete support as well, so you don't need to worry about anything. The WhatsApp and Telegram links are description. And if you like our video, do like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment your thoughts in our comment box. So viewers, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and be happy, viewers.